Hi everyone, this is Amya Malhotra. Welcome to our showroom which is designed by Oak and Chizel, and hardware and accessories are from High Gold. So guys, as you can see, this is L-shaped kitchen which has the shutter finish of laminate. Base unit Technomat and the other one is the wooden trains. As I can show you the concept, this is the concept of 2 deep drawers. Here you can keep your big utensils. Then this is our hob section. Here chimney will be placed. And here are 3 drawer concept. First one will be your cutlery. Here we have placed a metal, a SS cutlery section. Then we have another cutlery in wooden. The third drawer is also for deep drawer. You can also keep your plates here in standing form. Then we have another drawer, 2 deep drawers to keep your utensils. For the wall unit, we have placed bifold lift ups. It goes like this in upward motion. Then we have a rolling shutter. There will be 3-4 partition of glass. We can keep our electronic items, which is a toaster, mixer. Then on the other hand, in the base unit, 3 drawers which are wicker baskets. These wicker baskets are for your raw materials, for the raw vegetables which can be placed here. And also we have a corner. If we have L-shape or U-shape kitchen, we need to place a magic corner, which goes like this. It comes like this. Through this way, your end will not be disturbed. There will be no dead end in your kitchen and you can easily utilize the space. On the other hand, we have this above unit. This is in the form of glass basket, glass elevator which can goes down like this if we have difficulty to access from the above height. Then we have kept a sink. This is almost 3 feet sink with drain board, and this is in rose gold color. Then we have 2 pantries here. This one is in 450 mm. As you can see, this is glass pantry. This is from the brand called Onyx. And then there is another pantry. This will look like this. This is also in 450 mm. And then there is another kitchen. This is in straight line kitchen and we have placed PU shutter on this. This is in mint green color. This is the hob section and chimney will be placed here. These are the simple wall units which has a shelf inside. Then we have 3 drawer concept. These 3 drawers are of same size. This is the cutlery unit which comes in PVC. You can keep your cutleries here. Then we have a grain trolley. You can keep your atta, you can keep your rice here in drums, in boxes, etc. Here we have our sink area which comes with GTPT rack, which is grain trolley, plate rack. This is GTPT rack. You can keep your utensils here, wash here and place it over here. There is also a drip tray which comes out and you can put the water on sink. Here it comes. Here you can keep your cleaning items, your Vim bar, your scrubbers, etc. Then we have a dustbin inside. You can place it over shutter and use it like this. On the other hand, we have a small pantry which comes in 2 shutter with lesser height. This is how it looks inside. You can keep your snacks, food items, etc. whatever you want to keep. Then we have a single lift up which goes like this. And there is another lift up. All these hardware are from High Gold. Then we have an inner drawer pantry which goes like this. It comes out in this form, each and every drawer. Here there are 4 drawers and 1 plate rack. If you want, you can place 5 tray like this also. It comes like this. You can keep your bowls, your plates, you can easily adjust it. Here we have a pantry. This is in 600 mm. This is from High Gold. And then there is another pantry. This is also from High Gold. This is shearer pantry and this is matte black pantry. And there is an option for a tall unit which goes like this. This comes in 300 and 400 mm. All hardwares are soft close. Then we have this concept. Here is the hob section and here is your chimney. Here we have placed 7 drawer concept. For example, this drawer will be for your cutlery section. There is another drawer. You can keep your chakla, belan, whatever. for Indian cooking purposes. Then we have one deep drawer, you can keep your big utensils here. There is another drawer, you can keep your masala bottles, etc. Then there is one grain trolley, you can keep your rice, your atta in drum or in boxes. Then there is another two boxes, these two deep drawers, you can keep your utensils, and these are the adjustments which you can keep. These are for bowls, these are for plates. Here you can keep your plates in standing form. Then we have another bifold. This is from Saliche. This goes like this, and we can easily put it down. We have bottle pull out, where we can keep our oils, dispensers, sauces, etc. To not make your corner dead, we have placed another magic corner in this form. This comes like this. You can easily use it. Here is an open wardrobe, and we have kept all the hardwares from Onyx. So I am going to show you. This is a locker, biometric lock. You can keep your jewelry, your cash, etc. Then there is a drawer. This is basically your accessory drawers. You can keep your jewelry. This is a flap. You can keep anything inside. There is various partition where you can keep your pendants, your earrings, your rings, etc. Then there is this attachment. This is your trouser pull-out. You can easily keep your trousers here. And then there is shoe rack, which goes like this. This is a smaller version of it. Then we have a safe, which comes in pin also. We have one drawer, another. This is a glass. Basically, you can find 4-side glass. You can keep your folded clothes here. These two drawers are same. You can keep your clothes here in folded form. And then there is this drawer, which is not made of glass. There is leatherite. On the other hand, if we have a taller wardrobe, and how we will access the hanger. So this is basically for that. We can easily access our clothes from upper height also. We will place hanger here and our clothes, and we can easily use it. And then we can put it back. If you need an ironing board, we have that also. You can easily move it like this and place it on whatever height you want. This goes like this. Then we have another shoe rack. Here you can place your 18 shoes. This goes like this. This is a revolving shoe rack. You can easily access this on both sides. Then we have a dresser mirror. If you don't want to show your mirror outside, you can keep it like this. This goes like this. And you can easily put it inside. Then we have this wardrobe, which is in acrylic finish. As you can see, this opens like this. This is in the form of pocket door. These doors goes inside like this. Both doors can go like this. You can keep these kind of wardrobes in your living room also. If you want to make a bar or if you want to show it, you can use it as a regular way, like opening wardrobe, or you can use it as a pocket door also. Then we have this kitchen. This is in laminate finish, which is textured. If you want a breakfast counter, this can go like this. You can easily pull it out and place 2 chairs here, and you can easily put it backwards. Then we have one grain trolley. This hardware and accessories are from Casa Boma. Here is your grain trolley. You can keep your atta, your rice, anything inside. Then we have these 2 drawers like this. Here you can keep your knife, your cutlery, anything, which is very convenient to use. You can use it very easily. Then we have 2 lift ups, which goes like this. And we have a S corner for utilizing your corner. This comes out like this, which is very convenient. Let's move to this wardrobe. This is a slider wardrobe, which goes like this. Here we have placed high gold Bottega series, which is in this color. Here is a safe, which you can easily use. This comes out like this. Then we have charm storage. You can keep your socks, your belts, anything inside. Then we have this shallow leather basket. You can keep your folded clothes inside. In this range, you will find everything in leatherite. This is a deep leather basket. Let's go to this part. This is your watch winder, which keeps your watches long lasting. Then we have this drawers. This is jewelry box. You can open it like this. You can keep your watches like this. jewelry, anything. Then we have this trouser rack, which goes like this. Here you can keep your belts. This is the most expensive series in high gold, which is Bottega. Then here we come for the shoe rack. Here you can place your 36 pair of shoes, which is also revolving. This revolves like this. You can easily keep it both sides. This is the same part. This is also Bottega series. These are top pants racks. You can keep your folded pants like this in folded motion. Then we have Armani series. This is the most reasonable series in high gold. This is the trouser rack. You can keep it here. This comes in 600 M. Then we have this. You can keep your folded clothes over here. This comes in 3 shelves. Then we have this charm storage box. You can keep your jewelry, your socks, your hankies, anything inside. Then we have these leather baskets for your folded clothes. This is a tie holder which comes out like this. Then we have a high gold mirror which comes like this. This is the 3-in-1 unit. You can easily rotate it. Through this your corner will not be dead. You can easily keep your saris, your trousers, your shirts, anything inside. Here comes to the PG Grey series. This is Grey series from high gold. This is expensive than the Armani one. This is a jewelry box. You can keep your rings, your pendants, your tops, anything. This flaps goes over like this. You can keep your belts. Everything is soft close. Then this is charm storage box. You will find this in every series. You can keep your most essential things over here. Then we have this pull down. This is, you can keep your clothes like this. If you're making it more height, basically if you're making your wardrobe more than 8 feet or 10 feet, you can easily keep it. You can place just your hanger and your clothes over it. Then we have a trouser unit. This is a 900 mm. Then a basket to keep your food